Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to activate Windows 11 for free. So first, you just have to simply open up your PC and make sure you have a connection to internet. Then on your home page, you see at the bottom we have this Windows icon. You just have to simply click onto it, and after that you have to go to the settings. For there you can see the settings icon, click onto it, otherwise you can search for it. Once you get there, on the left side you will see different options. From these options you have to go with the second one called system. Click onto it and there you will see these options. From all these options you have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option called activation. Click onto it and there you will see that I already have the Windows 11 and it is active. If you don't have it, then you can see this option called change. You have to click onto it and then you have to change your Windows version. Click onto it, then you will have the key for the Windows. You have to enter it and after that it will show you the option for Windows 11. Then you can install it. But one thing you have to understand that not every PC can have the Windows 11. If your system is new and capable of having Windows 11, then it can go with it. If your system does not support this much update, then it would not update to Windows 11. Also, this version will be free, so you don't have to worry that you have to pay. The Windows 11 will be free, so you can get it free. So that's how you can activate Windows 11 for free. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching the video.